Hey guys, so I pulled the trigger and bought a Skytrak Plus. Uh, this is my adventures unboxing it and setting it up. Hope you enjoy. Well, I just got a package tonight, and it's my new Skytrak. If you can see that. This is my old Skytrak, the OG, my golf cart. I'm going to unbox this and get it charged up. So let's open this up without further ado. Like I said, with the cost of this, I was considering the GS Pro, the Uniker iMini, and I'm used to the Skytrak. You know, a lot of people say they get a lot of misreads. I don't get that many. I mean, once in a while, but not as much as my my flight scope Mevo Plus. Okay, let's look at this. There she is. So it looks great. Well, there's obviously stuff in there. And there's a combo package on Amazon right now. You get the Skytrak and the case, the protective case. For $2,400. It came to like $25.99 with tax, and I'm in a 6% tax state. Well, there's the protective case. Leveling feet. There must be a 1/4 20 screw somewhere that goes through here. And there's some. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, it's a nice presentation. Some people think that's important. I don't. I'm not one of those people. So, this is a little bag. Let's see what's all in here. Okay, so here I'm looking for the screws to mount this to the case. They were in the box that the case came in, but I was trying to find out everything that came with the Skytrak package. So I got a hold of Skytrak. I had to switch my my account from my old Skytrak to the new one, and that took a little bit of time. And then when I installed the software, it kept thinking it was the old one, so I couldn't see the club data. So what I ended up doing was I uninstalled the software and then reinstalled it, and that seemed to have done the trick. It took a while for it to accept that this is a different machine, and like I said, I uninstalled it and reinstalled it. I apologize about this camera. It's got a lot of vignetting. It's some weird lens on it, and I won't ever use that lens again. So here I'm downloading the new software after I deleted it, and waiting for it to download and then log into my account. Okay, so we're up and running. We've got the club data on the screen. I got my projector fired up. Let's see what happens here. FYI, I am just trying to break 90 this year. Last year I couldn't break 100. Now I'm shooting in the low 90s.